Hey YouTube, it's Alicia and I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna come to y'all and give y'all tips on how I clean my makeup brushes, because the way I clean my makeup brushes is great. Now I try to clean my makeup brushes every 2 weeks, at least every 2 weeks. Because if you're somebody that uses your makeup brushes every day, then you need to wash them every weekend. That's that. Now, my thing is, I wash them every 2 weeks because I don't use my makeup brushes that often during the week. So I say every 2 weeks. Now, one of my favorite products to use to clean with my brush is, and I'm gonna have to pull this, I have it pulled up. It's called the Equate Beauty Makeup Brush Cleanser, and it's a 4.1 fluid ounce. And this is, and you can actually, this is, I know you can get it I know you can get it in the store. I think in the store it's about $4.95, but it depends on what you get. If you get the single, it's about $4.95. If you times that by two, you're literally paying about $10 for them. So that's a pretty good product that I will say is a good thing. Now, another cleanser for brushes I will recommend is the Brush shampoo and the Elf Daily Brush Cleanser. It's a cleanser. It's a spray bottle, so that's a good one. Oh my God, you got a lot of places that covers it, but make sure you have a silicone mat that has the grooves on there, and that helps you to clean your brushes well as well. So yeah, that's a good one. But yeah, so when I clean my brushes, when I use this and I clean my brushes, I let it if I do it let's say I do it on a Saturday, I won't wear no makeup for Sunday. So if I have to go to church and I need to wear makeup, I put minimalist on. I get whatever I haven't washed and I use those brushes. So that's that. Okay. Now the next thing is, I'll wash them that Saturday and I let it dry overnight. When I come back I will literally have a spray bottle that has alcohol in it, and I will spray the bristles and I let that set overnight as well. Then I'll put them up the next day. That means they are refreshed. For me, they are refreshed and they're good. And then this is what I'm using. Now, so I already told y'all, we'll write down everything that I do use and stuff. So I have to find it. So let me show you the alternative, some of my alternative products that I use to wash my brush with. Now, when it comes to the alcohol, like I said, I do use alcohol on my brushes because that helps me to de-infect them, making sure I don't get no blemishes. So if you're having blemishes and stuff, that means if you breaking out all the time and you don't wash your brushes, that means you really need to wash your brushes. So one of my alternative things I use when I can't, when I run out of that cleaner and I can't get to the store and thing, my best thing is to go to Dollar General and get the VO5 shampoo. It can be any kind of VO5 shampoo, but I do recommend that. I do recommend Suave as well, but I do recommend the Suave waterfall mist shampoo, shampoo and conditioner. I will recommend that because this is going to be a good alternative. Now, the other thing is, just get one of these little containers like this. It contains in there anything, but that's mostly it. That's all of those are my alternative products I do use. And think if you have any comments or questions of what other products I do recommend for cleaning your makeup brushes, anything, please thumbs up. Everybody use different things and stuff. I just want to be safe because these are things, these are my makeup brushes, and these are makeup brushes that I'm putting on my face. So I'm looking for good quality products and things like that. So yeah. Now I say if you have sensitive skin, you might want to look for some like cruelty-free items to cruelty-free items to use to clean your brushes with. But this is all I have time for, y'all. But I will be back for another video showing y'all how I clean my face and things. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.